Hi guys, Oshin Hoy here, bringing you free tutorials on how to make a website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the free Astra theme for your WordPress site. Let's get into it. So we're going to look at how to install a theme for your site. So if we go back to Odin Yoga, we can see we can select themes here. And you can also select themes by going back to your dashboard and seeing under appearance you have themes. So at the moment you can see that there are 4 themes here: 2020, 2019, 2017, 2016. So these all look different. As you can see, this is what that one looks like, which is what our site looks like at the moment. Then there's also this one. So if we were to just activate this one, we can see how our site will change. So we can visit the site and see that it's totally different now in the layout. Look, there's no red anymore, and the site title is different. Everything is different. Okay, so that's just one example of how a theme affects the look and feel of your site. So I really love a certain theme, and it's called Astra. So if you go to my website, ushinhoy.com, you'll be able to find the link that I have to the Astra theme. So if you go to quick links and go down to Astra, click on that, and this will bring you directly to the Astra website where you can download the theme for free. And Astra is a really easy to use theme and works really well for building your website without having to do any coding. So you just click on download now, and this will bring you through to their pricing page. So as I said, we can get you the free version. They also have upgraded versions, so pro versions. We're not going to look at these in this tutorial. There are great add-ons you can get there, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go down here and download free Astra theme. So you can put in your name and your email address if you'd like to subscribe, but if not, you can just click no thanks, and the download should start. So then when it is downloading, which should be here, then you can go back to your themes on your WordPress and you can go to add new. So then it'll come to add themes, and you can upload a theme. Then you can drag your downloaded Astra theme folder and just drag it into the choose file area. As you can see now, Astra is selected, so we press install now. And this will install your theme on your website. Again, it will change how your website looks and feels. So once it's successfully installed, you just want to click activate, and then you can visit your site to see how this new theme looks. And as you can see, again, it's quite different. You just have your site title here, there's no tagline, and you have a sidebar over here. So it's much neater already, and you can see you've got a footer. So this is great. This is the bare bones of your site, and you have Astra installed. This video is part of my series of free tutorials on how to make a website. To make sure you don't miss out on any videos, hit the subscribe button and turn that bell icon to all. That will mean you'll get a notification every time I publish a video on YouTube. See you in the next video, and happy building.